Hey guys, Chad here with Cleaning Company Training. Listen, I want to tell you how to get more cleaning customers right now. Today, this is the first video of our series. We're going to be cranking out these videos, how to get cleaning customers. Everyone's going to be on a different subject, and I'm going to give you a little bit of magic in how we get cleaning customers and how you can too. So, this is the first video. We're going to be talking about a 3-step referral program. Okay, this is what we do, and it works like magic. It works for people who are just starting, haven't started, and people who have been in business for a while. So first of all, your first part of your referral program is going to be the classic, what I call the classic, where you are going to set up a referral program for your current customer base. Okay, and this referral program is going to be where you tell your customers, if you will give me 2 referrals and we get one of those referrals, you'll get a percentage off of your next cleaning. Now, if you're a recurring house cleaning service or janitorial service, you don't give a you make sure it's clear, because a lot of people, when they do referral programs, it can be a little sketchy, and you want to make sure it's ethical and above board. So you make sure it's understood that if they give you 2 referrals, people that already know, like, and trust you, they know people and they trust them, so they give you 2 referrals, you give them a percentage off of one of their next cleaning for each of the referrals that they give you. Okay, and this will be leads coming in from your current customers. Now, if you're saying, I don't have customers, I'm trying to build my business, I can't do that because I just don't have the customer base. Well, here's what you're going to do, and this is the part where you need to think about it and have everything set in stone before you go. You need to map this out. So this referral program is going to be one that needs to be above board, like I said. So you need to, instead of spending your marketing dollars right now on Facebook ads and Google and all that stuff that gets more expensive, you need to have a referral program for people that already know, like, and trust you, the librarian, the woman at the store, your mom, your in-laws, your friends, your people at church, all of those people. And you're going to have a card that tells them the exact directions and what this referral program entails. And this is going to be where you give them an actual commission off of the cleaning that books with you based off of that referral. So if they refer you to somebody and that person books with you, they get a commission off of that first cleaning. And this cannot, so it stays ethical and it stays legal, you cannot take it out of the bill of the customer, because unless you tell them, but most people are not going to like that. Hey, some of your bill is I'm charging on for a referral. No. It's going to come out of your marketing dollars, but it's all going to level out in the end, because you're going to make sure you're charging enough for your services in the first place, and you're going to get a recurring client. So this $150, $400, whatever it is, cleaning the first time is going to end up being a $3,000 to $6,000 client over the entire year. And you're only going to pay on that first cleaning. They're going to get paid one time. So there's a way to map this out and come up with this 3-step referral program. The last step is constantly have a referral program in place for your employees, people that work for you. And you may not have any employees, but this will come later. And any employee that gives you a referral, the same thing. You give them out of your marketing dollars, out of that first cleaning that books with you off that referral, they get a commission. So this is one of the quick ways you can implement this tomorrow, the next day. You work on it tonight and you can implement it and start calling your current customers. Then you can start calling your friends and everybody you know, and you can tell them about this cool referral program, and you will start getting a sales force without paying a huge sales team. You're going to get people that want to be on your side. They want to win. They want discounts. They want to make some extra money. And this is the first step in you getting some more customers right now. Hey, this is Chad with Cleaning Company Training. Listen to the podcast for some more awesome tips, and reach out to me, Chad at Cleaning Company Training, for any more information. I'd be happy to talk to you. Can't wait to talk to you again.